Now you can even compare the traditional web 2 platform and web 3 platform, where you as a creator you are getting very less fund or money, or your compensation, you can say, like 0.03 to 0.005 post streams, and most of the profit which are generated are used by the company or the platform who has created that particular application, because they make money on your content. So you are not able to get what is your major stake from that particular content. But when you come, when you become a web3 creator on any of the platform, your revenue what you make is 85 to 95%, because they are paying you directly in their tokens, which can be swapped, okay, which can be swapped into USDT, but they are only charging 15 to 20% as a platform handling fee. So that is the real difference. That is the difference when we say we are moving from web 2 to web 3, and this is the Gen Z generation, where people want to know how things are changing, how fast we can make profitability, how fast we can make earnings. So for all that, there is a single answer for that: become a web3 creator, become a web3 player to play and earn from the game, or become a web3 decentralized defi project investors. So there are many options to make profitability out of it. Even in the web3 there are many other ways also to make profit, such as staking, yield farming, high yield and saving, main risk, early